So problem 9 is an interesting one. This is one where I suggest not that you graph it, but that you kind of sketch it. And that'll be the last thing we do. And here's why. It says well, I'm going to call it A, -2, 3, is, now we're into reflections about the x-axis, right, is reflected in the x-axis. Which quadrant does its image lie? All right, so I'm going to graph my pre-image and -2, +3. All right, that's in quadrant not 1, but 2. And then it goes 3, and then 4. Okay, right? Counterclockwise is the flow. Mathematicians are, you know. All right. So let's reflect this point using our rule. I'll do it both ways. A prime. Well, when I reflect across the x-axis, I'm going to keep its namesake. I'm going to keep the x term, right? And then I'll negate the y. So this x will come down, and I'm going to do the opposite of that y. It will become -3. So if I did this right, here's our x-axis. Here's our x-axis. -2, -3. That's A prime. Yeah, it's in quadrant 3. I mean, you didn't even really have to apply the rule. You could have just visually said, okay, when I take this point and I reflect it across that red axis, the x-axis, it's obviously going into quadrant 3. This is really a question of, do you know the quadrants? See you in the next.